Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can search for multiple values in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Normally, if you search one value at a time, it feels like finding a needle in a haystack. But with a simple trick, you can highlight all matches in seconds. Here's how. First, copy your list of values and paste it next to the spreadsheet where you want to search. In the new column, type the formula equals countifrangetosarch, cell with value. This formula checks how many times each item appears in your data. Copy the formula down, and you'll instantly see results 0 means not found, while 1 or more shows the item exists and how many times. To make it even cleaner, apply a filter and show only rows with a value greater than 0. Now you'll see exactly which values are present and how often they appear all at once. This is a real time saver for handling large datasets, lists, or text searches. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.